In this video, I will show you how to fix an exiting connections was forcibly closed by the remote host error or Minecraft Java error. So to resolve this problem, click on Start, type Control Panel, open Control Panel, select View by as large icons and find out in this list Java. Right click on it and click on Open. Now click on Advanced, scroll down and find out Advanced Security Settings. So enable the operating system's restricted environment. So check this box, then apply and then click on OK. Now close it and restart your PC or laptop. So like this guys, you can fix and resolve this Java problem. Thanks for watching. Please comment this video useful for you or not.